Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I am super excited to share with you that the updates to my home, they are done, and I wanted to show you the process of getting the stairs and the floors done. So if you want to see everything that took place, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're just gonna take a final look at the stairs. This is the before, and I have it running from the top floor, and it runs all the way down to this main floor here. And if we take it around, it runs all the way down into the basement. So it is a lot of stairs. Just wanted to show you guys. Final look at the stairs. So I'll start to do more footage again once they start working on it. Yep, a whole lot of spindles to take out. I am not looking forward to going through the whole renovation process, but I will be certainly excited when it's done. So guys, just wanted to show you the bin that's being delivered for all the debris and wood and stuff to go in. Just wanted to show you guys this step. All right guys, so the flooring is here and the men are basically just loading it in the garage so that they can access them. Back there in the very back corner are the actual pre-made steps that they're gonna put in, and this is the flooring that's coming in to do the rest of the house. So just wanted to keep you updated on that and let you know what's happening. Thought I'd show you what the hardwood looks like. It's called smoke gray. That's what will be going in all of the house. And then what they're gonna do is the stairs will be stained to match this wood. Okay guys, so this project is being done in sections, obviously because we are living in the house. So they're having to do sections at a time. So here, there I am, I'll just, hey. You will see, this is my living room. This is where the white couch usually is with the mirrored coffee table. And then panning over, that's the space where my dining table would be. So that's the dining room, and over here is the formal living room. So we have emptied out everything because they are coming this morning. So say goodbye to these parquet floors that I've hated for the whole full 10 years that I've lived here. But I'm so happy guys that it's being changed. The process is overwhelming, and I'm gonna take you and show you in our family room where all the stuff from these two rooms are packed up. Well, not necessarily from these two rooms because I got rid of the dining table, but there were some boxes and stuff that I was keeping in there. Those have been moved, and yeah, everything is now in the family room. I believe that they're starting this section of the stairs today. If you move over, I think I had shown you before, that's the stairs that leads to the basement. Those are fully out and they have started to put the newer pieces in. The house is a whole mess, like 100% just mess. This is the family room with everything in it. We'll get some light on in here. Everything, just everything. And guys, you might see some clothes over there thrown across the chair. There's a suitcase there on the floor, and that's because they have told us that once they start to do the other stairs, we won't have access to downstairs. So yeah, we're gonna have to be living downstairs for a few days. So I kind of packed up some stuff and brought them down here, clothes and all. And over there in the corner, you'll see that that's an air mattress that we will be using. They promised that the empty rooms I just showed you will be finished in one day, so I'll have an opportunity to move back the sofa and the table. So this is the white sofa. I've just covered it. Those are all the pillows that I kind of use in that room from time to time. And here is your beloved mirror table over here in this corner with some stuff on it. Those are the two end tables. I kind of just have them on top of each other, and the rest, as you can see, is a whole hot mess. But wanted to show you the process just in case you're considering doing it. It's a lot of work, but I know that the end result will be beautiful, and so it will all be worth it in the end. So while I am kind of going through it now, I'm looking forward to the end results. All right, so I'll be back once the work starts just to kind of show you what that looks like. And of course, I'm gonna show you the finished results. I'm gonna show you things in part, so I'll probably show you them working here, and once they finish the stairs, I'll show you that. So I'll show you everything in, maybe I'll do a series with different parts to it. And then what I'll do, and see, of course, the things haven't been out yet, but of course somebody spilled something there. It looks like juice. Once the stairs are finished, I'll show you that. And once the whole house is finished, I'll do like a home tour. Of course, I'm still missing furniture. Like I still have to find a dining table. If you go on my Instagram page, the Glamorous Penny Pincher on Instagram, you'll see where I'm sharing dining tables that I'm seeing that I'm possibly interested in. So if you're not following me on Instagram, head on over. It's the same name, Glamorous Penny Pincher, and look at the dining table sets that I've posted. There is the really big bin that is supposed to hold all the garbage and stuff that comes out of here, all the floors that they're lifting up. And yeah, I'm tired, but I'm excited at the same time. And just like that, they came in, guys, and they started to rip the floors apart. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but this is going quickly. And here you can see these are some other rooms that I'm sharing with you. All the floors are bare, and they're just about getting ready to prep them, and then they are going to start laying down the hardwood. And here it is, guys. I just wanted to show you a little bit of that laying of the hardwood. They have put wax paper down, and then on top of that they are laying the hardwood. It looks amazing so far. I'm pretty excited and can't wait to see what it looks like when it's all done. Family room is done. My office space is done. Yay! Yes, my office is done. Here is the last room, and we are moving stuff around. The place looks crazy. And then I walk into this foolishness where she's supposed to be helping me move the furniture, but instead she's laying on top of it. Somebody help me. Alright, so I'm walking along the hallway of my upstairs into my room where my floors are done. Amazing. Everything is done. Let me back up. Cords hanging everywhere. Curtains all tied up in knots. So now I'm gonna have to go and clean those curtains in the room. All the way back here. floor is nicely done. Perfect. I'll just walk it up to one end and show you the other end. They do such good work, and they are so neat with it. And at the other end, I'm very pleased with the work they have done.
I also wanted to show you a little bit of the process for the stairs. They are ripping them out because we have done custom stairs to be installed and then stained.
Okay, so the top stairs came out today. That is what it looks like. All the steps are gone. And so now they're working on putting the new steps together. And then they're going to stain them and put them in. For the downstairs, it has been coated with, I guess it's a protective coat, and then they are going to stain it to match the floors. Then that's the last little bit of railing that needs to come out before they put the actual wrought iron ones in. Okay, so the new steps are in, as you can see here, and the steps are being prepped for staining. Just like what's happening on this side over here. He's going to stain these new steps that have just been installed.
And here they are, guys, all done. The spindles are in. I'm sorry I didn't get a shot of them installing the spindles, but everything is in. I will show you the stairs and how they look from a couple different angles. We actually went a little bit darker with the steps because it made the stairs pop that much more. This is another angle from the upstairs landing. Just wanted to show you again what it looks like. It is such a big difference from the wooden spindles. These are so beautiful. I absolutely love the way it turned out. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about these upgrades. Here I'm showing you more of an overhead shot of the steps, and I'm going to show you what it looks like looking all the way down to the basement level. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video of the upgrades. Don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. As well, I will be doing some more tours for you, some separate room tours as well as a home tour. You know, after I've added some color to this gray slate. So after I've added some color and some more decor, I will be bringing you more videos. So make sure your notification bells are on and engaged. That way you never miss a new video. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate your presence and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And again, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any uploads. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.
Penny Pincher, Glamorous.